TRX, we start with 1 hour chart. Okay, if you refer to our analysis, we have been looking for buy since the price was within this move, and one of the target was 1.133, following by 1.141. Because we mentioned, if we're looking for the long term, we can expect the price to break this two target. But that question was, if we get any trade when the price was any of this target, this is where we can start to manage. Okay, again, and if even if you refer to my last analysis, when the price was within this move, we mentioned if he wants to do, because we mentioned we're looking for the continuation, and we look at this chart, this correction differently in the different, in the based on different option we analyze. And we mentioned if he wants to look for buy, either we wait for the price to drop, we see the price drop and retest this low, but it didn't drop quite a lot. Okay, but we mentioned if the price drop, any reversal we can look for buy. As you can see, price drop, the reversal, this is the only way we could look for the trade based on lower time frame. Okay, anyone get this trade is good, but beside that, we mentioned maybe, because we mentioned if the price continue from here, we cannot get any proper trade setup. That's why one of the option we suggest was to have entry above this. Okay, right now, even we could get this trade. No, we should be in this trade, and whoever get the trade from here, this is what they have been this is what they get, and right now they have to start to manage. Okay, uh, we remove these lines, and anyone get the trade either from this correction or from here. I think right now at least move their stop loss to break even, because this is the previous stop. We want to see whether the price almost tag, we want to see whether it can break and continue or not. Okay, in this case we move to daily chart. As we can see, the price based on daily chart tag the previous stop. We're looking for the continuation, and in this case we move to, because based on daily chart we don't have anything else. And if we move to forward chart, what we're looking for, we're looking for the breakout and continuation. And right now we don't have any trade set up. If we see the continuation, the next correction we can look for trade. Okay, but only things we need to mention here, we're looking for continuation. How high it can go, we are not sure. Okay, the reason I say how high it can go, we are not sure. That means if he wants to look for the next correction, bigger correction similar to this, we need to be aware. Okay, either the price move a bit higher we get, or the thing is how high this move can go before we get the next correction similar to what we have here. This is the only things I want to mention. That's why from now, if we're looking for the trade, we need to be aware we will expect to get the bigger correction similar to what we get here. Not right now, we are not talking about it now. We're looking for the after we get the continuation. That's why we cannot confirm when and at what price. Okay, and right now if we want to look for buy, we need to see the continuation. Any correction from there we can look for buy, and right now we cannot buy even. The only thing is we manage whatever the trade we had within this move. Okay, anyway, we move to lower time frame, we move to 1 hour chart. We want to see what we have. And one more thing, if I move to forward chart, can we put this one in relative to this? And if I move to the indicators, we see the divergence. We are not looking for the correction. Sorry, we are not looking for the reversal. Mostly we can expect the correction. That's why I mentioned we can expect the continuation. The next correction we can look for buy. And if I move to 1 hour chart, even based on 1 hour chart, the only things we can do right now, we manage whatever the trade within this move. We have, since the price was within this, we have been looking for buy. And because it may, this one can give us a correction or reverse in case we are not looking for the reversal. In case the price cannot break, we cannot see the continuation, we have to at least move our stop loss to break even for whatever trade we have within this move. And right now, if we want to look for trade, we don't have any trade set up. If we see the continuation and if it likes a correction, from there we can look for trade. All right. As I mentioned, we don't have any trade setup right now. We want to see whether there is a continuation. The only thing is we need to do is to manage our trades. In this case, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.